If you knew how many times I had to try to create this video. But, okay. Shalom, I'm Tyrion Davis, and I'm here to present the official launch of the Spiritual Tribunal within the Sion Frequency Hub. This is more than an app. It is a transition into our true legislative authority. We are moving away from religious tradition and into the restored legal code of the hidden 22 records. I created this hub to provide a functional sanctuary where the law of the kingdom is applied with precision. Today I'm going to walk through the operational side of this tribunal, from our daily decrees to the sanctuary to the filing of formal motions of standing using books like Enoch, Jasher, and Jubilees. I'm nervous, I'm sorry, so please forgive me. We are here to identify the spirits causing affliction and officially adjudicate and seal our victories in the vault. We are reclaiming our positions as trustees, and it begins with the restored frequency of our words. Shalom. Let's enter the council chambers. Okay, so here's the home page, and there's a verse, a daily decree. This will change every day. Then you enter the council chambers, and it's a chat where you can, like, Facebook, whatever, social media is the word I'm looking for. That will post, and you see that below there. This feed will continue. You can tag people, as you see up here. There's nobody for me to try tagging, but you can tag people so they can find your post if you want it just for them. You can add video, which, it's not adding. Why is it not adding when I'm in here? That doesn't make any sense. Makes no sense. Okay, I'm going to try this again because for some reason, if I'm gone too long or something, it doesn't work, I think. Yeah, there it is. So it's going. So you see the video is able to post. You see that down here. You can delete it right here. All right, that's enough of that. Next, we're going to go into the hidden 22, which is where all of the books are. I haven't entered them all yet. So far, I just have the Book of Jubilees entered in. Oh, no, not Book of Jubilees. I'm sorry, the Book of Enoch. Let me go back to the hidden 22 into, or I can go back to that. Okay. How did that get to the top? The Book of Enoch is supposed to be number 1, but whatever. There it is. And, or maybe it is supposed to be 2. It's fine. But the chapters aren't showing. Okay, I'll be right back after I fix this. Okay, it looks like it will be right now. So there we go. We are in the Book of Enoch. And here's chapter 1. You go down. You can either look back at the chapters. You can mark it complete if you read the whole thing and you get 5 points. There's badges and stuff to help people inspire. So you can move this to move on to the next chapter. And it might not come up because, like I said, I have to refresh every couple minutes or it won't work. So I will pause this again and go do that. Okay, so I'm back in here. When you go in and you're on book 1, you can scroll down here and you can proceed to book 2. And then you can go back to all the chapters or back to the last chapter. So let me try to do this quick. Okay, then in the classroom, I don't have anything in here yet, but I'll be able to add my classroom videos in here. And then in the resource center, I don't have anything in here yet, but I will be moving stuff that I have in a Shopify store right now over to here. And the tribunal, this is the best part. All right, in here, you can file a new motion. There's the vault where you can see stuff you've entered already. And then a daily protocol. That's going to be something I add later. It's not in there yet, but it will be added to the very beginning. Before you can do anything on the site, you'll need to express some gratitude. All right, now you file a new motion, spiritual. I think that's supposed to auto-populate. Hold on, I'm going to refresh again. Okay, we're back. Let me hurry. All right, so I'm going to go back down into the tribunal and file a new motion. I'm going to file for freedom. And you see this will, oh, freedom. Then you choose a respondent. Sorry. Just pride. I don't know. But you see it populates a verse for your standing concerning that attacker. And then I can file the motion. What did I not do? Unexpected, not valid. I didn't put something right up here or something. Okay, well, I'll need to fix this. For some reason, it's not filing the motion. It might be because I need to refresh. I'm not sure. Let me check. The last thing is Minnie's game, and there will be different games in here. So that's where we're at so far, or where I'm at. Oh, and just so you know, I've been using AI to do most of this. I just get the prompts from the AI because it knows better how to tell the other AI what to do. So that's been very helpful. As you can see, I've accomplished a lot. It's crazy. But thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm loving this. It is so much fun. And I did another app with you guys before. You probably have seen it. It's the Spiritual Tribunal. But I'm actually moving that app into this one so that it's all together. So this is so exciting to me. Thank you so much.